What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all are doing good and staying super blessed. Today I do have another video for you guys. It is the long awaited unboxing experience of the new splitter from my new sponsor, FS Performance Engineering. So shout out to them. They were able to send me this package out. I'm going to be able to do another video where I'm going to install it on the vehicle, on my 23 WRX, and we're going to see how it holds up to the test of time compared to the Flow Design splitter. So before we start, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. You guys, this is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings. And before I get this video started, I just wanted to say I appreciate everyone, all my supporters, all the new subscribers. Welcome you guys to this channel. And there's going to be more projects in the future. For right now, we just have that one project, the 23 Subaru WRX Limited. Had a Type R on here before, along with the WRX, had a Mini Cooper, had a C43 AMG. You guys can go through all of those videos if you want in your free time. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, the unboxing of the FS Performance Engineering front splitter. And I'm going to unbox all that, show you guys all the details, show you up close and personal. And yeah, we'll go from there. And also just want to show you guys one more thing before we start. Check this out. Some people are going to say, okay, I understand. Others, maybe not so much. Let me know what you guys see different, right? If you zoom in here just a little bit, you can see that Cobb carbon fiber engine cover is no longer here. I reinstalled the AMS pulley cover because it's honestly better. It has venting right here for the pulley. You can see the pulley through the venting, but it has a full cover plate on it. For some reason, the Cobb carbon fiber engine cover, I just wasn't feeling it anymore. It wasn't covering the pulley. It just looked off, and I don't know how to explain it. So that's up for sale. You guys, for my subscribers, I'll do 180. It's literally like brand new, comes with brand new hardware, everything. But for the time being, this is what is now here in place of that. So I don't know if I'll come up with something differently, but honestly, I love the way the AMS looks. It definitely offsets the carbon fiber. It matches this a lot better. You know, matches the radiator hoses more. Plus I got the AMS oil cap and I got the AMS dipstick. So yeah, but anyways, okay, enough rambling about what I changed, and let's see the new unboxing experience of the new splitter. Here we go. All right, so this came out rather easily, but this is what it's going to be. You guys can see it here. Wow, yeah, that's tough. It's aluminum, but it's a stronger grade aluminum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw up the specs right here. So that's all the specs. I couldn't remember off the top of my head, but this is a custom piece. It is a lot thicker than they originally come. He made this specifically per my request. I threw the specs up there so you guys can see it, but as you can see, it's a two-piece splitter. So let's see what else is in here. Okay. Here's another piece. And I imagine the middle section is still in here. The connecting plate is what they call it. Yeah, I gotta get in there more. I'm making a mess. But definitely want to see if, let me see if I can get in there. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if I can just dump it out a little bit real quick here. There we go. All right. So here's the most important piece right here. This is what's going to connect the splitter together. So this is called the process connecting plate, and it just goes there somewhere. There's also, this is like a carbon fiber kind of material. It's hard to see in the plastic. This is all the hardware, everything. There's the connecting plate. Looks like there's a whole instruction manual here, which is awesome. So shout out to FS Performance Engineering for that. And these are the actual side, what do you call them? What do you call these? Side extensions? I forget what they're called. Canard, not canards. Oh my God, why can I not remember what they're called? But the extensions that come off the side like that were on the Flow Designs splitter. So that's what these babies are for. I don't know if I'm going to put them on, but as you can see, there's one and there's two. I really was thinking of taking this all out, but honestly, it just looks so good. It's packaged so good. I don't want to take it off. Look how thick this is. Look how thick that is. I mean, we're talking, what is that? 5/16, right? I believe that's the correct spec. I threw the specs up there, but yeah, it's going to be awesome. Let's see this manual here real quick. Shout out to all the stickers we get, right? Just wanted to show you guys that, pretty cool. Hardware, the connecting plate. Okay, here's the manual. So tools needed, which we're gonna need is a ratchet wrench. You guys can pause it right here. 10mm wrench, 10mm socket, 12mm socket, 13mm socket, 3/8, 7/16, 7/16 wrench, Allen wrenches, 3/32, 5/32 drill bit. So we are going to have to drill a little bit here. It looks like left side splitter, right side splitter fins. That's what they're called, left and right. The logo connecting plate and the thick air dam. So that's what this is right here. This is the thick air dam. So this is what's going to transfer the air and obviously give it that downforce. Here's all the hardware contents. You could pause it if you want, right there. Okay. So it starts off by saying begin raising your vehicle, place it securely on jack stands. Identify, remove the 2 bolts shown using a 12mm socket ratchet wrench. 2 bolts, okay. Yada, yada, yada. So that's what it's going to start looking like. Really, really in-depth directions here. Colors, highlights, circles, bold print. I mean, this is what you want to see when you're especially installing a professional part like this. So me and a homie are going to do this. He also has a WRX. I believe he also has a limited or premium, but as you can see, that's what I wanted to show you guys this whole time. There's the process connecting plate, which connects the 2 sides together, has the little FSPE, FS Performance Engineering sketching in there. Really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much what it's going to start looking like when you get it all done. Let's see if I can show you a finished project. Yeah, see how far back the splitter goes? This is why this is the best, because look how thick this is, and this isn't even the one I ordered. Mine's a little bit thicker than this, but see how it covers all the way up here by that pan? I mean, it just covers a lot, to be honest. It reminds me of the Race Red splitter I had on my Type R. Maybe it doesn't cover that much of surface area, but you guys, honestly, let me see if I can see. Yeah, so here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. That's what it could potentially look like with the side wing on there. So yeah, phone number, email, everything, reach out for support. I have his direct number. He's awesome. You guys, I also will throw up the discount code right here. So that's the discount code you guys can use if you want to get this exact splitter for your WRX 2022 to 2025. Doesn't matter the model, I'm pretty sure it fits all of them, even the CVT. So yeah, other than that, that is what I wanted to show you guys. It's kind of a mess here, but yeah, let me get back in the video in just a moment. All right, y'all. Well, hope you did enjoy that unboxing experience. I'm really impressed, number one, with the packaging, the attention to detail that this company puts in. I mean, I originally saw it online, I think it was 3.5 months ago. And to tell you the truth, I was like, wow, look how it just flows out and matches the front bumper perfectly. I honestly think this is going to be a major difference from the Flow designs. And I already have that part bought as well. Somebody already got it from me. So fortunately, it's not for sale. It sold pretty quick. I didn't even have to post it. They just asked me and I was like, okay, yeah, sure, deal, you know. But honestly, I'm very happy with this. I didn't want to take it out of the packaging. I wanted to stay nice and clean, not get scratches, things like that. Make sure all the hardware is intact. I was thinking of doing it, but honestly, the way this is packaged, it's like it's labeled with numbers and stuff. And yeah, that's a conclusion I came up with. But if you guys did enjoy this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. And until another video, which will obviously be the install video, probably a week and a half, 2 weeks from now, somewhere around there. I'm waiting for my partner, you know what I mean, to get back to me and, you know, see what happens from there. All right. Much love, major blessings, you guys. This is Skylyfe Projects. This was another video. Blessings. 1.